3, 2, 1, let's get started guys, and welcome to the video. And in this video I'm gonna be talking about Python background process. So you all know how to run Python files, right? It's pretty easy. But what if I want to run my Python file in the background, irrespective if my terminal is open or closed, or my PyCharm or IntelliJ or whatever IDE you're using, it is open or closed, my code is running on the background and doing some work. In this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to do that. So let's get started. So in my last video I developed a code for a weather logger using my library that I developed. So it basically does the web scraping from a website and logs the data from the website to a SQLite browser. So if I just quickly open it to show you, and this is gonna be really amazing tutorial, you learn something new in this. So if I open my SQLite browser, and if I go to the weather, I do browse data, I have all my data here. Alright, beautiful. But now I want to run this file. So what do you guys usually do is you say, so if I say ls, I have my weatherlogger.py, so you can say Python. So let's do a little quick, Python weatherlogger.py. So when you run this file, it says, so you know, this Python file is now running, right? You are getting some output. See, you are getting all the data, I mean, on the console, on the terminal. I can stop this. Now what we can do, another way to run this is, you are explicitly specifying the Python version, right? Like Python 3, Python 2. You don't want to do that. You want your terminal to decide that. So we use shebang. I already have a video on that, so make sure to watch that. Now I can just simply say, instead of typing all that Python 3 name of the file.py, I can say /weatherlogger.py. so if I run this again, the code will work as usual. Here you can see I'm getting the output. Now let me stop that. Alright, now one more thing that I want to cover here today is running this Python in a background. Now I taught you how these files are running, right? Now if I want to run this code in my background secretly, irrespective of my IDE, whether it's on or off. So let's get started how to do that. So excuse me. So for that we are gonna use a command. So we can just say oopsie python 3 and python 3, then we say the name of the file .py and just say an and symbol after that. So this will basically run secretly, and you will, so if I run this, I can see you got an ID known as 3910 and my code is running right now. But I can also type all the commands on the terminal. Here you can see. So now what if you want to kill this? If you press Ctrl C, you won't be able to exit it. See, it's still running. Now how do I exit this? So if I go to terminal, so if you want to see what process ID is running, so I can say psax/grep and the name of the file. So here you can see this is the ID that my file is running. So this is running in the background, right? So here you can see. Now the problem with this is, if I close the terminal, the Python code will also stop. So how do I even if I close it, I want my Python file to run. So how do I do that? So first of all, let me kill this. So I can say, in order to stop this, you can say kill 9 and the name of the process. So it's, in my case, it's 3910. So that's it. Now clear up. So now if I stop it, so hopefully it is stopped. Yep. Now guys, I don't want to see any output on my terminal. I just want it to run silently in the background. So let's get started. For this, the command would be nohup. So this is basically nohup space python 3. Name of the file is weatherlogger.py. Did I type it right? Yep, weatherlogger.py. And after that, I'm gonna say -u, which stands for unbuffered output, right? And I'm gonna say an ampersand sign, or and sign, and that's it. Now you have an ID known as 3927. Now irrespective, guys, even if I close this, so if I close my software, you can see I have closed it, right? My software is closed, but still the Python file is running on the background. So if I can show you, if I just say this command, here you can see this is the process ID 3931. It's still running, right? So if I want to prove my point, if I open the database files, still it will upload the value on the database, right? So this will prove my point that this file is running in the background still, irrespective if you close your IDE, PyCharm, whatever you want to do that. So just give me a second and then I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube because making a YouTube video right now. All right, so once it opens, it's pretty slow. Come on. Okay, I think I have to wait. All right. So once it's done, I go here to prove my point. So if I can just do show in folder, and I can open that file with my DB browser. I'll show you. I mean, it is actually logging values right now from the from the server. That means from the web scraping, right? So if I open this, why are you taking so much time? All right. So okay, weather, browse data. So if I go all the way down, so it's automatically updating. See this. So right now it's automatically see the cursor is coming slowly up. So you see it's coming slowly up, so it's constantly updating values. So that means my code is running on the background. Hey, now I'm gonna stop it. So how do I know what commands or what background processes are running? So psax slash the sign, then the grep, then the name of the file. So here you can see 3973. I'm gonna say kill, then I'm gonna say 9, then 3973, 3973. All right, so that's done. Here you can see kill, no such process. That's weird. Did I type 3973, 3973? Yeah, I think it should have it should have stopped. I am most probably 3975. Oops, sorry, my mistake, my bad. Kill 9, 3975. So yeah, I think it's stopped basically. So I'm pretty sure about this. I'm confident actually. So if I do this, it's although showing, but I'm sure it's stopped. So that's it for this video. So if I open my weather DB now, sure enough, there won't be any file. It won't be uploading values. If you open it, you can surely confirm this. So if I go to my DB browser, so if I just go to weather, if I do a browse data, I go all the way down. So here you see now it's not updating the value. See, it's 3.60. The last was at 45 seconds, and now it's not updating. Here you can see. So this is how you stop a background process in Python. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and it was a little bit informative and you learned something new. If so, do give a like, subscribe to my channel, and that's it for this video. And if you have questions, comments, suggestions, leave them in the comment section below, and I shall try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. As usual, thank you for watching and see you guys next time.